Today I'm using some of my home canned chicken and chicken broth to make a sort of a teriyaki-ish kind of a dish. Got the chicken in here. I diced up 3 pretty large fresh carrots. Diced up 1 potato. And I threw in a handful of my dehydrated peas that I had dehydrated probably 2 years ago. Let this simmer a while till everything is done. Probably take 20-30 minutes to get everything cooked. I added in some teriyaki sauce and some ginger and a little bit of cumin just for an extra flavor. And I've got rice over here already cooked. Put this over, and I will thicken this up a little bit, not a lot, but I'll thicken it up a little bit after a while to put over the rice. I'll show you after I do that. Okay, I've added the clear gel. You can also use cornstarch. I just happen to be out, and I have clear gel for other purposes anyway. So I've added it. I'm stirring it. I'll let it reduce a little and thicken some. It's not real thick. It's okay though. I don't want it to be like a thick gravy. I just want it to be saucy. I'll put this in a bowl, and then I'll put some olive oil, I've got right there, in the pan. And I will make the fried rice with that. I don't have any eggs, I don't think, unless the chickens have laid some. I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Okay, I went out and checked. We don't have any eggs today so far. But I'm ready to get this over with and eat because I'm hungry. So I'm heating up. I got everything, just about everything out of the pan. I'm using the same pan. And I'm heating up the oil, as you can see. So I've got leftover rice from last night that I'm putting in here. And then I've got fresh cooked rice from this morning, so we have enough. I want to have a lot of rice. It's going to be the bulk of the meal. This is in the pan. And here it's sizzling. I'm going to add some teriyaki sauce to it. And that's all. That's all I'm putting in it. I stir it around till everything is heated through. And I'll bring you back when I put it on the plate. Okay, here we are. The finished meal is just bread and butter, the rice, and my topping that I made. It's hot. It's really good. Thanks for watching.